It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 29th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Remember those beautiful temperatures we had last week? Well, they're a thing of the past. We're skipping spring and heading right to summer as temps go way above average this week, and dry conditions will continue for the foreseeable future. So let's talk about it. First, yesterday in the valley, 86 degrees the afternoon high, 53 was the morning low. The normal high, 80, the normal low, 56. And as we take a look outside right now, here at 7:30 a.m., clear sky out there, a warm start to the day, 61 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 26, relative humidity 26%. The winds are light and the barometer is falling. Temperatures this morning kind of all over the place, 42, the cold spot at Fort McDowell, 46 at Goldfield, 47 in Gilbert. Otherwise, we are in the 50s and low 60s through much of the metro. The upper air look shows a cool upper trough over the northern tier states, but a westerly flow around here and a ridge will try to build in over the next couple of days. Eventually, it will become established and the dominant weather feature later in the week and the weekend. Here's the watch warning map. A little wind advisory along the Colorado River today, but most of the action is well to the north and east of us. We've got winter weather issues for some of the interior west, the central and northern Rockies, some wind out there as well. But look at the central and northern plain states. High fire danger, red flag warnings, wind advisories, high wind warnings in effect out ahead of that very strong surface boundary that's progressing east. Out ahead of that boundary today, check out these temperatures coming off the National Digital Forecast Database. Highs this afternoon, 80s from Texas all the way up into South Dakota. We've got 70s even north of there up to Fargo, North Dakota. But then tomorrow, a much different story. Behind that front, temperatures dropping anywhere from 25 to 35 degrees. It'll be around 70 today in Minneapolis, near 40 tomorrow. Wow. Here's the convective outlook for today. Despite that strong surface front, no severe weather expected. In fact, hardly a rumble of thunder to be found anywhere across the contiguous U.S. And the precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, nothing. Region-wide, basically nothing. As we see a very tranquil weather pattern developing just in time for the dry season here. We'll talk about that and everything else in more detail as we look at modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's that cold upper trough with the low moving into North Dakota and southern Manitoba this afternoon. And for us down at the surface with that westerly flow in place, heights a bit above average, we are looking sunny and dry. Highs this afternoon should be in the mid to upper 80s. The normal high for today, 80 degrees, so we'll be several degrees above average. And that surface front will remain north of us with windy conditions for much of central and northern California, eastward through Nevada, Utah, and much of the Rockies. Tonight, we're clear, we're dry, overnight lows mostly in the 50s, and then tomorrow, the surface front tries to get a little further to the south. It will be breezy across northern Arizona. Temperatures might fall off a couple of degrees here. We should be in the mid-80s, but overall, no real changes. And then Wednesday, back to the mid and upper 80s. The sky should be sunny. On Thursday, we're sunny, dry, highs near 90, maybe the low 90s. Low to possibly even middle 90s on Friday with mostly sunny sky. Saturday, a very weak wave approaches us from the west, but that's not going to do much other than increase some high clouds. Shouldn't do much to slow down the warm-up. Highs low to mid-90s. Saturday, even on Sunday, I suspect highs somewhere between about 91 and 94. Here's a week from today. This is Monday, the 5th of April. We've got a positively tilted trough moving on to the Pacific Northwest coast and a southwesterly flow here. Some high clouds around. Temperatures might fall off a couple of degrees. And as we go out 10 days, this is Wednesday, the 7th of April, double-barrel low-pressure action just to the north of us. One low across North Dakota, another one over Utah. Heights coming down here, so temperatures would cool off and it would turn breezy, but in that configuration, highly positively tilted trough, no moisture advection, so just breezy and cooler temperatures, that's about it. Here's a look at rainfall for the Phoenix area coming off of the European ensemble over the next couple of weeks. Nothing to worry about here, no chance of any rain. We stay dry. And temperatures off the national blend of models, yeah, we could be pretty close to 90 today. Might just stay in the upper 80s, 87 tomorrow. Look at those mid-90s coming in by the weekend. And how about that high of 96? No thanks. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so very much for watching. It is always appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool out there, and have yourselves a great Monday.